Boarding the A380 from Singapore to Sydney. This one has the new interiors, including premium economy here. These are the new first class suites. There are only 6 on the airplane. I'll have to save the delights of them for another flight, but they're pretty fantastic with beds that pop out from the wall and they make up for you. These are the latest Singapore Airlines business class seats. They're a little closer together in the center, but you can make them up into a double bed of sorts, and then each one on the aisle is pretty private with these armrests here on the side, a few little cubbies for storage, another footwell where they keep the blankets and linens, and then another huge screen here. You can see the textiles and the colors are a little bit different. Purple with an orange trim, which is really quite smart, I think. I love all the textures in this cabin. Each of these looks like a futuristic pod, so I'm gonna go and explore my own, which is 93K all the way back there, and then enjoy the rest of the flight.